My name is Bailey East. I'm 19. I'll be turning 20 in a month, and I am from New Braunfels, Texas. I'm extremely grateful to not have to stare at my feet when I'm walking around with my family. I can actually enjoy my surroundings and look up and see the world around me instead of having to stare at my feet. My grandmother has a horse named Jumping Jack Flash. It felt pretty good to be able to dance like almost a normal person. There's a lot of things that the Sea Lake has helped me to reclaim, and it's a pretty amazing feeling.
My very big next goal is to be a triathlete, a para-triathlete. So I swim, I bike, and I run. My purpose is I want to join able-bodied and disabled-bodied people together through sports. I started to write my blog because I wanted to show people that everybody can overcome the challenges they face in life. I am Rika and I'm 26 years old. Living with one leg doesn't mean that you are incapable. I have lost my leg in a car accident 2014. I was really afraid of driving and I made my driving license last year. So I am happy to travel all over Hungary and discover the places. That's why I wanted to study sport management. My purpose is I want to join able-bodied and disabled-bodied people together through sports.
My name is Andre Klenner. I'm an orthopedic technician and completed my exam in 1999. So I began specializing in silicone prosthesis about 10 years ago. When patients visit the medical supply shop and walk up to me, they are usually wearing normal shoes, and it is apparent that they have a partial foot amputation because the length of their stride is uneven. Their gait is stiffer because the foot can't roll over properly. So the question is, what can be done about that? We examine the patient and first check the wound to see whether it is completely healed. I would always recommend a silicone partial foot prosthesis if possible, because in terms of material and hygiene, it's currently the best option for fitting a patient. This is Mr. Flügel with his new silicone prosthesis. You can tell that his rollover is much better compared to not wearing a prosthesis at all. A further great advantage of the silicone prosthesis is that it can be used in any situation, including wet areas or the sauna or movement therapy. This is very important for older people in particular.
My name is Eberhard Flügel, and I'm 63 years old. When I'm not out and about with my grandchildren, I'm still keeping active. I got myself a dog, so I'd walk for longer distances. I spend a lot of time with the dog. I take him on long walks in the mornings and evenings. It adds up to between 3 and 5 kilometers every day, without pain, without any problems. And I go out no matter the weather. It's simply wonderful to be able to walk so comfortably. My granddaughter can be quite challenging. Without the limitation, we can have a lot more fun together. My silicone foot is so easy to take care of. And I can wear sandals again. But the best thing is walking long distances is no longer a problem for me.
I like Grandpa's new foot. And I like the new foot even better when I put some of Mom's nail polish on it.